Yeah guys, welcome back to our video, Milo and Jamaica YouTube channel. Yeah, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening, where you from, okay? Yeah, this is Milo and Jamaica YouTube channel. So today, we go ahead and buy two doorbell camera. See? Two of them, doorbell camera. Okay? So it's a smart wireless doorbell camera. So I'm gonna try put it up today, and see what's going on. Doorbell camera is for security wise, But in Jamaica, we don't need a doorbell camera. As in Jamaica, everybody watch people business. You don't need no camera. As everybody watch people business in the community of Jamaica. So yeah. So I'm gonna check it out right now and look on the instruction and see how they set it up, So let's go. Yeah, man. So open it. Alright. So this is the instruction. This is all the instruction. You have to follow that instruction, but I'm going to show you guys everything what they have in here. So this, I'm going to tell us if we remove the mounting package, Yeah, that's this. And this is a quick start guide, Yeah, quick start guide. So you have to download the app and pair it on your phone and then power on and enter pairing. Alright, that sounds good. Alright, see, come with a little white box inside. So we'll check out what's inside, Yeah, man. So it comes with 2 screws and 2 plugs if you want to put it, screw it up to the wall or everything. And it comes with this little pin right here for the top, to put it. Yeah, man. And this is your outlet, charging outlet, Just like your phone. And it comes with this. I think this is the bell. Yeah, this is the doorbell. So you just plug it in inside near to your door, anywhere. You just plug it in. And now this is the camera. See the camera right here? Yeah, you see? Yeah, that's the camera. So now I have to follow the instruction what them give to me and everything. Where I put that book, see there? This small wireless thing. That's how I have to follow it, Yeah. So first they say remove the mounting package, okay? To do this, insert the include mounting package removal tool into the hole that is top of the doorbell. Push it until the package is slide off. Alright? Right here. And number 2, remove the battery tab. Alright. So this is all the instruction and everything, you know. And number 3, let's recharge your doorbell before first. Alright. So then I talk about this tool right here. I think it's pretty easy to go out, you know? Yeah. You either can place it on your wall, in front of your door, or you make 2 screw holes and screw it down. Right here. Can screw it up. So this is the tool I'm going to use to open it and tap. See? Easy. See? So you can screw this onto the wall right by your door, you know? And then I talk about message number 2. Number 2, they say remove the battery tab. So right here guys, you're gonna remove it, you know? Right here, just remove it. Right here.
Power on.
See, it's a power on? Okay. But then say no. But then say I must charge it first. Okay? So guys, I'm gonna charge it up and I get back with you guys.
Entering pairing mode.
Yeah, check in again guys, check in. So I'm still with the doorbell camera. So I plug in the doorbell right here. Well, I have the camera in my hand. So I want to test the doorbell if it's working. So I'm going to press the bell and see if it works, you know. I think I already pair it and everything. Yeah, it's worked. See flashing right there? Okay, so we got that done. So now is to set up the thing outside where the camera can go into, okay? So you guys stay tuned. Yeah, welcome back again guys. So now let's try screwing the back of the camera on the wall right here. For the doorbell, you know? Right there. And try screw it on. So it come with tape too. You can tape it on. We'll try the tape first. Just like that, you peel it off. And then I think you put it on just like that, you know? Just like that. See guys? But I still want to put 2 screws in it, you know? Hold it more firmer. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna take time. Just like that. Yeah man, well firm, you know. So I'm gonna put in the next one. I find it. Alright guys, here we go. Yeah man, just like that. Alright. So stay tuned, so now me get the camera. So check in guys, so this is the camera right here. So I'm gonna put it in here, you know. I'm just gonna insert it in there. So you put down the bottom first. Like that. There you go. That's the camera, okay? You can see all the front who come to the all one who come to the front door and everything. Yeah man. So you think set up, you know? Yeah man, so this is the front one, so I have the back one leave, okay? So I'm gonna test it and see if I hear the bell ring. Yeah, so I hear it, okay? So I'm just testing it. So it's all good for the front. So let's go to the back. So stay tuned. Yeah guys, so I'm walking around to the back to put up the camera in the back, okay? So this is the back, you know, so you know it's fall time. So you see all the tree leaves and falling off and everything. Yeah man, if you look down on the ground you see a lot of tree leaves and stuff, you know. So I'm gonna put the next doorbell right here. Yeah man, right here. Somewhere right here, you know? Yeah man. So you guys just stay tuned, you know? Yeah, check in again guys. So this one is for the back. I'm around the back already. So you don't know, it's the same procedure, you know. Yeah, same procedure. So I'm just gonna take it out and make you guys see again, you know. Yeah man. Come with everything same way, you know. Yeah. Everything guys, see? Camera. See that? So it's a smart doorbell, you know? It's a smart doorbell camera, wireless. Yeah, pretty easy to set up, you know? Come with charger and everything. Yeah, same thing, you know? Yeah, but so I'm gonna pull off the back now. Take this key out of here. And pull off the back, you know? Where I could charge it up first before I do anything, you know? This key, just put small key, open at the back. Right up top up here. See? Just like that. and then I charge it up. So I'm gonna charge it up. I'm gonna plug it in right here and charge it up, you know. I'm gonna charge it up before I do anything else with it. I then say charge it first. So the plug is right here.
Power on. Entering pairing mode.
I forgot to remove this. Yeah. So you guys stay tuned.
Entering pairing mode.
Check in, guys. Check in. So now, I'm gonna put on the back, right here, right beside the door, for the camera, the door camera. So this is the back. So I'm gonna paste it on like I do the front one. So it's two camera, you know. So I'm gonna paste it on right here. Like how I do the front one, you know. So it's right there. I'm gonna put like a two screw in there too, you know. To hold it more firmer. Yeah man. Two little doorbell for security, you know. Yeah, for security reason. You can see who in the back and who in the front. And when somebody ring the doorbell, you just go up on your phone and you see it's who. You just put the app in, you know. So let me plug in this driller and get it going, you know. Yeah man, so I'm gonna screw in when I screw now. This stuff we just hold it more firmer, you know. See? Just like that, you know. Alright. See that, guys? We're done with this. We can plug it back out. Yeah. And then we put up the camera. Yeah, see the camera right here? We'll put it up, you know? Yeah, just put in the back first, just like that. There you go. Yeah? And let me test it, you know? Yeah, it works. Just like that, guys. Yeah, man. And remember, guys, you guys like, share, and subscribe to our video. Mylon and Jamaica YouTube channel. So we just install two of them smart camera, one on the front and one at the back here, you know? Yeah, so you guys just keep on watching our video and like our video. And share it, man. Share our video, man. Just share it to everybody who you know, all over the world. And thanks again for watching this short video, putting up to Doorbell Camera. Okay? Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See it? Yeah, man. You know the thing already. Watch the code. You hear me? The code thing, man. So, in Jamaica, they say, that a code. No, me say, watch the code. See it?